Hey guys, this is MDP Tech, and today we're going to unbox the NZXT H510 compact MidiTower ATX case. Here we go. Let's open this up and see what do we have. Okay, let's put that to one side, put that the other side. Oof. Now this is a quality case, yeah. That's why people pay 70 euros for this kind of things. For the quality materials. For the real quality materials. Okay. What do we see here? Glass side door. Let me try to open up it. It's the thumb screw and it should be enough or something, no? Oh yes, it was like this. Oh damn, it's so satisfying. The glass is like real normal glass. Okay. As you can see, inside there's two fans. Here we can hide the cables. Transition. Okay, now try to take a look how it looks from the inside. Okay, let's try to open the thumb screws and take it out. Okay, no, it just slides like that. Very comfortable. Even the sliding out the side door is really comfortable. Maybe I need to just, yeah, don't be afraid. And here we are, here we got a place to hide cables already tied up with the Ziploc, already everything in place. Two places for SSD as I see. There's HDD 3.5mm tray. And we have NZXT box. Let's try to open up this box and so see what's inside it. Okay. Okay, there's nothing more. Inside we have a lot of screws, of course. Ziplocs, audio, splitter from 3.5mm to and NZXT logo, of course. To headphones and microphone. So that's that. And the manual, which is take a look. Oh my gosh, that's quick, but you know, even two-sided. Bam. Now I'm gonna read it later, and I'm gonna build the whole system. And that's that. What else? Here's the cables for the motherboard. Cables here, cables there. There's some cable there, but I don't know. Oh yeah, that's the fans, of course. Of course, that's the fans, and it's the other fan, I believe so. Yeah, it's the. Take a look at the cables. And we have, okay, as I said, it's the front panel, it's the HD audio, some other connection, maybe that's USB-C, but my motherboard won't have 3.0, so I just stick and leave them here, like this. Okay. So pretty much it. Of course we can see the other side. Yes, like this. This very colorful. All colors are very bold, very solid. I like that, really. Okay, here was the unboxing of the NZXT H510 MidiTower ATX case, and thank you for watching. That was MDP Tech. Bye.